Hire 6-bottle wine cellar with electronic controls. The manufacturers of this wine cooler are known and have been manufacturing high-quality home appliances for years. With this Hire 6-bottle wine cellar with electronic controls, they lived up to their reputation. What really stands out with this cooler is its dual zone temperature control feature. With this feature, you can set the temperatures in the upper and lower zone to be different. The temperatures for the upper zone can range from 54 to 66 degrees Fahrenheit. The lower zone can be adjusted from 46 to 66 degrees Fahrenheit. Because red and white wine are supposed to be taken at different temperatures, you can set this accordingly so that the upper zone stores white wine and lower zone red wine. That's music to your ear, right? Using a quiet thermoelectric cooling system, similar to what thermoelectric coolers use, this one has minimal to no vibration. The LED controls also make for easy temperature setting. The glass see-through window and interior soft light also make viewing and choosing of your wines fast. The features of this wine cooler are impressive, and we believe it is the best Hire 6-bottle cooler.